Dyson vacuums are powerful and innovative, but which one is the best for you? In this video, I'll break down the top Dyson vacuums of 2025, comparing their power, battery life, and value for money. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly which one suits you best. Let's get started. Number 5. Dyson V8, still a legend or outdated? When it comes to cordless vacuums, Dyson is the superhero of the game. But what about the Dyson V8, launched back in 2016? Is it still a solid choice, or has it been left in the dust by newer models? Let's break it down. First off, power and performance. The Dyson V8 still delivers. With 40 minutes of battery life on standard mode, it gets the job done without breaking a sweat. Plus, it's lightweight and easy to maneuver, making sure no dust stands a chance. But here's the catch. Newer Dyson models come with better filtration, longer battery life, and extra attachments. So while the V8 is great, it's not unbeatable. If you're not obsessed with having the latest high-tech features, it's still a fantastic vacuum for the price. Bottom line, if you want Dyson power without breaking the bank, the V8 is a solid pick. But if you're after top-tier performance, you might want to check out the newer models. What do you think? Number 4. Dyson Ball Animal 2. Great, but the price is debatable. The Dyson Ball Animal 2 is a powerhouse when it comes to performance, but it's tough to say if it's the absolute best. Yes, it's amazing at picking up pet hair, works great on carpets and hard floors, and is super handy when cleaning stairs thanks to its long reach. However, its hefty price tag can be a deal-breaker for many users. Another thing to note is that the maneuverability can sometimes be a bit tricky. It's heavier than some other models, and moving it around can be tiring at times. That said, if you find it on sale, it's definitely worth considering. But keep in mind, there are other models at the same price point that are lighter and offer better performance for the money. In the end, we'd recommend the Dyson Ball Animal 2, but it's definitely worth thinking twice about whether it's really worth the price. Number 3. Dyson V15 Detect Slim. Ready to meet a vacuum that makes dust and pet hair practically vanish? The Dyson V15 Detect Slim cordless vacuum is here to transform your cleaning routine. Weighing just 2.2 kilograms, this lightweight marvel lets you glide through your home effortlessly. Its fluffy optic cleaner head illuminates even the tiniest dust particles on hard floors, ensuring no speck is left behind. For carpets, the motor bar head digs deep to lift embedded dirt and pet hair with ease. With a motor spinning at 125,000 RPM and delivering 150 AW of suction power, the Dyson V15 tackles tough messes head-on. Its advanced 7-cell battery provides up to 60 minutes of fade-free cleaning, so you can cover more ground without interruption. The 0.35-litre dustbin empties hygienically with a single action, and the LCD screen keeps you updated on performance and particle count in real time. Plus, its bagless design means no extra costs for replacements. The Dyson V15 Detect Slim cordless vacuum combines power, intelligence, and convenience, setting a new standard for home cleaning. Experience a professional-grade clean in your own space. Number 2. Dyson Gen5 Detect Cordless Vacuum. So how about a vacuum that could completely change the way you clean? The Dyson Gen5 Detect Cordless Vacuum is truly impressive with its power and quiet operation. With its new motor and battery, the suction power is amazing, and it works great on all types of floors. It does an excellent job of picking up hair and dirt, even hidden dust. The bright laser helps you spot those hidden dirt spots on hard floors, and the automatic mode adjusts the suction power based on how dirty the floor is. Super convenient. That said, it can be a bit heavy to carry around. And if you don't need all the fancy features, you can find similar cleaning performance in lighter and more affordable models. Bottom line, the Dyson Gen5 Detect really takes cleaning to the next level, but there are other options out there depending on what you need. Number 1. The Dyson V15 Detect. Looking for more than just a vacuum? The Dyson V15 Detect might be exactly what you need. It may not be the newest model, but it's still one of the best in its class, and for good reason. So what makes it so special? First off, it features laser technology in the fluffy optic head that literally reveals hidden dust. You might think your floors are clean, but Dyson is here to prove you wrong. Another standout feature is its automatic suction adjustment. Whether you're switching from carpet to hard floors or hitting a dustier spot, the vacuum detects it and adjusts power accordingly. That means less effort, more efficiency. Of course, it's not perfect. It's a bit on the heavier side, especially in handheld mode, which can be tiring for longer cleaning sessions. But if you're after a powerful, smart, and convenient cordless vacuum, the Dyson V15 Detect is definitely worth checking out.